Yo, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Kupz the Universe, aka Poet Lounge, aka PD Mossberg. Welcome back to Kupz Universe. You already know what it is, alright? So today we was just gonna discuss some things pertaining to New York City and their gun laws now, right? Now, anybody hear Biden talk about all of the American Second Amendment supporters? You know you're gonna need a plane, F-15. And Biden, let me be the first person to tell you, nobody wants to take over the government. The constitutional rights of the Constitution, Second Amendment, gives us the okay to carry, to protect ourselves from harm. We don't need to always depend on the police, basically. So that's what I want to say to Biden, because Biden's bugging. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with Biden. Second of all, Hoku, she's another one with this new concealed carry thing and the applications to get it. And now tomorrow, actually at 12 o'clock tonight, you know what I'm saying? September 1st is going to be a whole blockage of permits for people. A whole bunch of safe zones that are like, I'm going to break all this down though, okay? So let's just get to it, you know what I'm saying? We could discuss them. I hope that Biden and Hoku are honoring their subscribe oath for office. I actually bind them to that, and we might be talking sooner than later. But so what we have here now is the application, right? So let's just break down what this entails, okay? So it's instructions to handgun license application. Police Department, City of New York, handgun license application section, license division room 110A. Instructions to all handgun license applicants, okay? So now we're going to just read through it, just so y'all know what New York City is already trying to put as, regulations. It says the attached application must be typed in hand and signed. It must be typed, written, and signed. Only the original application will be accepted. Do not submit a photocopy. The application must be completely filled out and presented by you personally at the license division. So you got to go to the license division to turn this in. Okay? So it says, at the time you submit your application, you must furnish the items listed below that are applicable to you. You must sign original copies of certificates, licenses, etc. In addition, a legible photocopy of each item submitted must accompany the original or certified copy. A copy certified by the issuing agency as true and complete, as also acceptable in lien, whatever, of the original. You know what I'm saying? Your application will not be accepted without producing the required documents. So you already got a list of documents you got to turn in. Okay? And you must turn in the originals to show them you have proof of identity, and photocopies. They must be legible, so they got to go accompany with you. Like, how would you have known this, right, if you didn't have this license, right? I mean, this application. I mean, mind you, they don't have no places to get it. I had to like really search for it, and then I had to actually get it off the internet. So it's kind of weird that they say type written. Like, what are they talking about, right? So after that, it says 1, fees. 2 separate fees are required. These are payable by certified check, bank check, money order, or credit card. All fees are non-refundable. So that means even if they got you waiting 20 years for your license, you can't get your money back. This sounds like the police department, right? Listen. They want one fee of $340 made payable to New York City Police Department. And then they want $89.75 made payable to New York City Police Department. Those are the two separate fees that they're requesting for you to have when you submit this application. So basically this thing is like what? Like 420 and some change. Let's estimate, let's just say 430 for the entire application fees, right? Now, they both got to be paid to the police department. I wonder why, right? It's like a lot of money the police department can make off of these licenses, right? 2 photographs, 2 recent color photographs of yourself. They should measure 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. Basically, I'm sorry. They should measure 1 1/2 times 1 1/2 inches and show you from the chest up. Do not wear any article of clothing or adornment that obscures your facial features. So they want 2 photographs, chest up, of you, right? Measuring 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. So they want them actually printed out like passport. You know what I'm saying? Let's pick this up. They want a birth certificate, right? They want proof of citizenship. If you were born outside the United States, you must submit your naturalization papers. They want military discharge. If you served in the armed forces of the United States, you must submit your separation papers and your discharge. They want proof of residence. Basically, you must submit proof of permanent address. Proof may consist of, but not limited to, real estate tax bill, ownership shares in cooperative or condemned something, or lease. You may also be requested to supply further documentation, i.e. a New York City driver's license or a New York State income tax return, a utility bill, etc. They want arrest information. If you were ever arrested, indicted, or summoned other than a parking violation for any reason, you must answer yes to question 23 and submit a certificate of disposition showing the offense and the disposition. Also, you must submit a detailed statement describing the circumstances surrounding each arrest. You must do this even if the case was dismissed, the record sealed, or the case nullified by operation of law. The New York State Division of Criminal Justice will report to us every incident involving the arrest of the applicant. Do not reply on anyone's representation that you need not list a previous arrest because it was sealed. If you were ever convicted or pled guilty to a felony or a serious offense as defined in penal law section 265.00, I guess section 17, an original certificate of release of disabilities must be submitted. Summon information. If you have received a summons for other than parking violation, you must answer yes to the question 23. You must list the violation and disposition of each summons received. Order of protection. C. If you have ever had an order of protection or restraining order issued against you or issued on your behalf against anyone, you must list the following information: court of issuers, compliance of respondents, defendant's name, including address and phone number, complaints, and respondent, defendant's relationship to you, reason for insurance of order of protection or restraining order. They want proof of your business ownership. They want letter of necessity. So I guess the Constitution isn't a necessity, right? That everybody has the right to carry and protect themselves. That's not a necessity. They want all applicants for carry license and those seeking the premises license, for use in connection with their employment must complete a letter of necessity found on page 3 of the application. No substitutes will be accepted. You must bring your original Social Security card when you apply. Then it says, if you have any questions concerning your application, please call 646-610-5551. Applications must be submitted in person at the License Division 1 Police Plaza, Room 110, New York, New York, or the rifle shotgun section, 120-55 Queens Boulevard, room B11, Kew Gardens, New York. The license division hours of operation on Monday through Fridays between the hours of 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Applicants must arrive early enough for processing to be completed by the close of business. So that's just the beginning of it. Look, I'm sweating up a storm already. So that's what they want you to have. That's what they feel is necessary for you to get your license. Now, your concealed carry license, right? We're gonna go into it further, but I just wanted to get that started. And you know, as far as I see, it doesn't really look like that they're following the fact that the Second Amendment is like they want to know why. They want to know every criminal activity you've ever had. They want to know a lot of information. You see what I'm saying? So it's like if you're gonna go do this, you gotta collect a lot of information first. And it's already feeling unconstitutional. So we're gonna continue with this. This video right here is gonna be just the introduction. So if you don't even see the rest of the videos, you'll know exactly what you need to at least get your process started. You feel me? That was the New York City's application for, I guess, carry. Now, they said this is supposed to be a concealed carry thing. I'm not gonna lie. I looked through the whole application. It don't seem like it's built for anything concealed. It looks like it's the way to block. You know what I'm saying? To block, you know, the actual Constitution versus it looking like a way to actually give you the means to utilize it. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's your boy Kupz the Universe. You already know, Poet Lounge, aka P. Mossberg. And this is part one. We will go right through the rest of these papers that come along with this application to see if this is actually a constitutional thing or if this is a means of blocking constitutional. Because we all know about Bruin, the Bruin Supreme Court case, which allows everybody in every state has the right to self-defense, and Second Amendments give you the right to bear arms. So all that other stuff is just ways to stop that. That's how I see it. But we're going to continue and see. You know, in my opinion, that's what I see. Y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? Comment, like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Tag somebody you know that's a gun owner or somebody that you know is, you know, that's keeping up with these laws so they can kind of look into it. They can also, you know, pick it apart too. All right, it's your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Peace.